Okay, just a little bit. Okay, I was thinking that maybe I could record later if I go back, but I will just do it now. So that because I can. No need for reasons. Okay, let's open this and refresh, play, and okay, delete this. We need first the background. Set the background to this color yellow, orange. Oh, already copied that. Okay, and after setting the background, oh, here I see a triangle facing on the left side. So let's create that. The base of this triangle is on the right, while the top is on the left. That's why it's facing on the right side, left side. It is an arrow. Okay, to create a triangle, make the size, the width, and the height 0. Then let's delete the background. So that's the starting point. 0 size or non-existing size. Then create a border left. For now, let's make this 50 pixel. I'm still not used in making triangle, so yeah, this is the only way I know. 50 pixels, solid transparent. Then for the right side, I am making a pyramid here for the starting point of our triangle, because I'm having a hard time making a triangle that is facing left. So that's why I decided to create a triangle that is facing on top like a pyramid. So this is not transparent, but the color of this one, this. Okay, now that we have a triangle pyramid, let's make this face left. To do that, change the base to the right side. Always the opposite of the point or the top. So the base is on the right side. Then the side of the triangle, the two sides would facing in the top and the bottom. So let's do that. Instead of left, change this to top, and instead of right, make this bottom. And now let's put this on the center. So like what we always do, position absolute, margin auto, top 0, left 0, bottom 0, and right 0. And it is not faced because of wrong spelling. Okay, spelling is the key here, guys. And adjust the size of this triangle. So let's make this 100. Wow, looks the same. 110 maybe. Yep, 110. And push this to the left. So negative 10, 20. No, let's not push this because I see the right side is, we need more width of this triangle. 20. Maybe this will do, but maybe that 110 is okay. Then let's just push this to the left, like what we did earlier. Okay, this is not perfect, but I can accept this, and of course rename this div to triangle. Copy and dot paste. So let's make this stick just above or below this triangle. They are overlapping anyway, so it doesn't matter where we put the placeholder, if it is before or after the triangle. It still show because it is more longer than the width of our triangle. So let's copy this, paste, and I can just write the size here. So the estimation size here is 350 pixel, and the height is maybe, let's put 20 pixel. Then position this on the middle, margin auto, top 0 and bottom 0. Yes, that's right. Then the background color, to make this look more existing, like that. And oh, there's a border radius, I haven't seen this. Okay, let's add this at left 0 and right 0, just to make this center. And the width is smaller, 20, and has a border radius. This is not percent, but the value is pixel because it will not reflect the same as the here. So border radius 20 pixel, border radius like that. And I'm okay with this. Ay. Clouds. The clouds. No.
Uy, kumbaga na ko.
30 minutes na si Chang Chang na sila.